Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your iPhone black screen problem as well as situations where the device is frozen or completely unresponsive. So let's do that. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and next press and hold the power button. Continue holding the power button until the iPhone restarts and the Apple logo appears. Then release the button. Now just wait for your iPhone to restart. That's how to force restart an iPhone to fix problems. I hope this video helped you fix your iPhone problem. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.